Creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun. The chief enemy of creativity is good sense. Creativity involves breaking out of established pattern in order to look at things in a different way. To practice any art, no matter how well or badly, is a way to make your soul grow. So do it. 5 interesting hobbies that will boost creativity and innovation. As per a study conducted by San Francisco State University, it was observed that create hobbies have a direct relationship with increased work performance. The study also indicates that employees who actively took part in creative hobbies had an increased aptitude for overall creativity and teamwork. Additionally, a clever and inventive mind opens the door to innovation and success. If you want to improve your job performance and reduce your stress, then take up a hobby and follow your passion. To inspire you to proceed in these new direction, 5 interesting hobby ideas that will boost your creativity and innovation. Exercise. Continuously sitting for long hours make us more vulnerable to similar pattern of thoughts, which ultimately affects our health and mood. It is also a likely cause of reduced creativity and innovation. On the contrary, exercise help in uplifting the mood and improving the productivity of a person. Physical activities such as walking, jogging, going to the gym, or practicing aerobics are mostly associated with combating the mental fatigue and enhancement of cognitive processing. Additionally, activities such as yoga and meditation allow us to practice mindfulness and self explanation. Play a musical instrument. One of the significant virtues of hobbyists and musicians is that they never stop learning. Musical instruments are also known to improve the coordination of mind and body. So pick up your favorite musical instrument and nurture your creative side. If you don't know how to play a musical instrument, then join a music class and pick up new skills. Learning how to play a musical instrument is also associated with improved listening skills, self discipline, overcoming repeated failure, experimenting, and successful collaboration. Learn a new language. Learning a new language can be fun. It will not only give you an opportunity to grow personally but also will open more hemisphere for your professional growth. These positive outcomes are immediately reflected as you take up a learning new language as a challenge and a hobby. Additionally, it will make you feel more confident and will improve your productivity. Playing games can stimulate your brain and make you more attentive. It is also improve your problem solving abilities and make you feel more confident in tricky situations. Depending on your choice, you can take part in video games, board games, or group games. As you play video games, you master the art of processing through each level and tackle challenges to reach your ultimate goal. Furthermore, while playing a game such as a chess, we tend to use both sides of our brain. Get creative. Explore your creative side by taking up a hobby such as a drawing, painting, photography, etc. Paying attention to the creative side is a great way to deal with stress and increase our problem solving skills. Creativity is inventing, experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and having fun. The chief enemy of creativity is good sense. Creativity involves breaking out of established